really cute Valentine's heart. So this can be like a bookmark, and you can put it on a hat. You can put a pen in the back and put it there. So it's double. You can stuff it with something, and so really nice. And then for Christmas, you can hang it from your Christmas tree. So let's do this. So what you want to do is make your magic ring, go around your fingers, cross, and then pick it up from the back. And once you have it, you're going to make 3 chains up. 1, 2, 3. Now you make 3 triple crochet, so that would be 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to make 5 double crochet into that ring again, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to make the bottom of the heart. So we want to make 3 triple crochet here, and that would be 1, 2, and 3. Now 6 double crochet, no 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to, let's close this a little. We're going to make 3 triple crochet on the top, and that's 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into that same ring. Now close the ring real tight as you can, and that is the first part of the heart. So now the second part would be that into that 3 chain space, you're going to make 2 single crochet, and then into the next 3 chains, you're going to make 3 double crochet into each one of them. So that is 1, 2, 3. Into the next one, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one, 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to make 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now this would be the center bottom one. So we're going to make 3 triple crochet into that same space. Triple crochet. So that would be 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to make 6 double crochet into the next 6 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to make 3 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So that will be 1, 2, 3 into that one, and then 3 into the next. That's 1, 2, and 3, and then 3 into the next one. That's 1, 2, and 3, and then into that chain 3 space you make 2 single crochet, and then you're going to connect into that first chain that you see and slip stitch there. And then you can do whatever you wish as far as, or bind it off, whatever you wish. So let's do the bind off. Pass your yarn through. And that's it. And then you're going to tighten this one real hard. And that is 1 heart right there. See how pretty that is? So make another one so you can sandwich it, same as this. See, this is sandwiched. And so it becomes very pretty. Put it on top of a gift instead of a bow, or put a pin or whatever you wish. Thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.